Next award, which is for excellence in international curriculum practices. And this award goes to Global Indian International School, Tokyo, Japan. And congratulating the winners. And I request Ms. Madhu Khanna, the principal, to kindly say a few words.
At the outset, I would like to thank the organizers of 18th World Education Award 2021 for recognizing GIS Tokyo in the category of Excellence in International Curriculum Practices. We are deeply honored and grateful to have been chosen as the recipient of this award. GIS Tokyo is the only international school in Tokyo offering multiple curricula, namely the IB Primary Year Program, IB Diploma Program, Cambridge Lower Secondary, IGCSE, and the Central Board of Secondary Education, India. All these curricula are integrated with the distinct in-house developed model for holistic development called the 9GEMS model. I would like to share the credit to all the members of my team, the teachers and staff, and Global Center for Education Excellence at GIS Tokyo, who have made this possible in these unprecedented times of COVID. Once again, thank you, team, for recognizing us for this award. At the outset, I express my sincere gratitude to the organizers of 18th World Education Awards 2021 for recognizing GIS Tokyo in the category of Excellence in International Curriculum Practices. We are deeply honored and grateful to have been chosen as a recipient of the award. GIS Tokyo is the only international school in Tokyo offering multiple curricula, namely IB Primary Year Program, IB Diploma Program, Cambridge for Lower Secondary, IGCSE, and CBSE India. All these curricula are integrated with the in-house developed model called the 9GEMS, which provides holistic education to our students. I would like to thank the organizers for choosing us for this award and give due credit to the team of teachers and staff and GCEE members who have helped us achieve this award. Thank you, organizers, and all the best to all the winners.
Thank you so much.